Thank you. Thank you.
Brother and the wife, my president and the wife, your excellencies that are here, let me respectfully stand on all existing protocols. I met very entrepreneurial Nigerian Dr. Raymond in 1996 as a director in a young bank. And this man came to us. If Raymond talks to you, you must lend him money. He's very entrepreneurial. And he came and told us about TV. We have never done any lending to TV. We don't know how TV is. But what he told us, we are not just trying to lend him money. People like me was asking him how I can invest, because he blew everybody out of this thing, and we lent him money. And I know PeterObi remembers that once he told me about his friendship with Raymond and how we sustain that. He's a wonderful man. He's a very good entrepreneur. I don't know him as a politician. I know him as somebody who dreams and wants to do something great. Unfortunately, his dreams was in a country that was thinking the other way around. So it wasn't the way he wanted it. All I can say tonight is that may God Almighty, who called him home, grant him eternal rest. And grant the family the fortitude to bear this irreplaceable loss. So many people are mourning with you, and I'm sure you won't walk alone. And so many people will stand by you, Raymond Jr., the family, to ensure that what he started will one day be something everybody will be proud of. Thank you, and may God bless everybody.